Just need to go straight down. I don't run backwards. Pretty quick down. Something just go up like that, like back by India, and stuff like that.
Maybe 5 mile an hour forward speed at that. Just hanging there. Now he's in a hover. Just hanging. Or pushing, I guess. This jet has thrust vectoring. It's a comp ARF jet. Like a Harrier pass. Barely moving. 35 pounds of thrust. The jet weighs around 25 pounds. That's incredible. End for end, folks.
out by one.
You would think that Portland would have problems with the air.
Yeah. There's
Wish I could get some ground reference so you could see how slow it's going. It's just barely moving across the ground. There he picks up.
Just cap it open and watch it. This is enough to sleep.
Okay, gears down. Looks like he's going to come in for a landing. See if we can catch this. Oh, nice job, Matt. We'll walk over here and sorry about the bouncing around. Finding out how to turn it off and turn it back on again. Let's see if Matt will give us a little info here. Nice job, Matt.
Thank you.
I'm stupid with a camera, so I don't know how to turn it off and turn it back on again. Can you just tell us, once again, what kind of engine's in there now?
This is a Ren 160 with 35 pounds of thrust. The aircraft weighs approximately 23 pounds. It's a Comp ARF 3D Eurosport.
And what is what's the manufacturer of the thrust vectoring?
The thrust vectoring is actually manufactured by a company in Germany, I believe called JTEC.
JTEC? Hope you can see that. Let me get in focus here. Can you do it again? I think I got it in focus now. Good, there you go.
I don't know.
That is cool. Get a shot or two of the beautiful paint job on this bad boy. And there's Matt.
How you doing?
Give us a smile, Matt.
How you doing? Beautiful fall day.
Thank you. All right, folks. That's it. Till next time.